Hi, Beaux Pilgrim here with Beaux Knows Insurance and Reed Insurance. Today I'm going to talk to you about auto accidents or auto claims that are minimal. Now, these are going to be the type of accidents or claims that you have that are going to be very small amounts, and to be quite frank, may be better for you to pay out of your pocket. And you're saying, okay, Beaux, that doesn't make sense. I know it says that Beaux Knows Insurance. Well, trust me. Sometimes it's better to pay it out of your pocket, because if you file it against your insurance, it's going to cost you more. Look, most claims are going to follow you on your record for three to 5 years. Whether you go to another insurance company or not, it's going to follow you. So it may be a wiser thing to do is to just pay it out of your pocket. If you have a good independent insurance agent, they will help direct you in this. But if you have one of the 800 numbers or just a direct writer and you call the claims department directly, they may not give you the best advice. So make sure that you have an independent agent so they can give you the best advice. So let's break this down a little bit and let's kind of go through the process. So let's say you've had an accident. It's either something fell on your car, you got a windshield broke, or just a small minor accident that you've had. You want to then decide, okay, all right, this has happened. What do I do next? Well, the next thing you might want to do is either go ahead and talk to a body shop to see what the repairs are going to cost, or go ahead and talk to your insurance agent. Your insurance agent very likely may say, go ahead and talk to a body shop. So you may want to start there. Go to a body shop, let them, whoever it is that you trust. If you don't have one, maybe just do a Google search or ask your agent to see if they have somebody they can recommend. Go to a body shop, see how much it's going to cost. It may not be very much. Let's say it's $500, just for an example. You then call your agent and say, hey, look, I had this accident. This is what happened. I backed into my mailbox, right? I mean, it happens. I backed into my mailbox. It's going to cost $500 to fix it. This is the advice that your insurance agent should give you. They should tell you, hey, this accident is going to show up as an at-fault accident on your record. It's going to cost you as an at-fault accident and also as a claim on your policy for the next 3 to 5 years. Now, that may not feel very good whenever they deliver that news to you, but that is the truth. It very well likely may cost you, and it may cost you more than the actual damages. And you might say, well, what if it's $1,000 or something like that? Well, still you need to weigh that in, because potentially you may lose any sort of discount you have for having a claims free, or you may get charged for an accident, and you may also be charged now as having an at-fault accident on your record. That's going to follow you for anywhere from 3 to 5 years, no matter what insurance company it is, because that's going to be filed on your record. So understand, 3 to 5 years, that claim is going to follow you. So you may want to just file it, and you may want to just pay for it out of pocket. I know that doesn't feel good, but it may be the better solution, because look, your insurance is not a maintenance policy. It's not meant to take care of smaller claims. The purpose of insurance is really to help make sure that your assets don't become, don't fall in danger, that you don't, fall into some sort of situation where you're going to be hurting financially. That's what insurance is for. It's not to take care of smaller incidences that may happen. That really, you should take care of that out of your pocket. So listen to your insurance agent and follow the advice that they give to you. Once you do that, let's just say that you do need to turn your claim in. Well, it's a small claim. It still is going to fall underneath the same scenario where the adjuster is going to take a look at it, send you to a pro shop, or tell you to get an estimate, and then provide the funds to get that vehicle fixed. If you pay for it out of your pocket, just make sure that you're communicating with your independent agent. Let them know what's going on, that you've gotten the repairs completed, and give them a copy of the estimate for the repairs that have been done. What about windshield claims? That's usually a small claim, and there's a couple of different things you can do there. One is you can file it if it's just a peck, like it's just a chip, and it's usually like the size of a quarter, smaller than a quarter, a little bitty like that. Typically your insurance, if you've got comprehensive coverage underneath your policy, is going to just cover that and waive the deductible. If you don't have comprehensive coverage, it's still probably $25 to $50 to get that repaired. So just make sure you get that taken care of. Well, let's say that you have a larger crack on your windshield or it's just busted out. Well, there's a couple things you can do. Either one, you can file it underneath your insurance. You will pay your deductible underneath the comprehensive section of your insurance. or you can pay for that out of pocket. Either, but in that situation, you'll turn it into your insurance company. They will then take care of either scheduling that appointment for you, or you can just go to the glass shop of your choice, let the insurance company know it, and they will pay them directly for that. Usually you have to schedule that where there's a specific time where they will need your vehicle in their care, custody, and control to take care of making those repairs. Well, what about towing? That's another type of claim that you may have. Well, depending on your insurance company, they're going to handle that in one of two different ways. One is you may have some sort of toll-free number that you can call if you have purchased the towing coverage. Now, this is an add-on coverage that you would need to buy, and typically you will buy that either in a limit or it may just include all towing. Now, there are still some limitations on that, like typically they're going to tow it to whatever the closest shop is that can take care of your vehicle. And they will typically have a network of preferred providers to take care of that towing for you. So just understand that. If you have the towing coverage, you can call the service. They'll send someone out to you to take care of moving that vehicle to wherever it is, or if there's something like a flat or something like that, they may be able to take care of that also underneath roadside assistance. Sometimes they combine those, sometimes those are separate coverages. So it may be towing, it may be roadside assistance, or it may be just all of it together, but just understand that those are optional coverages. Another way that they take care of it sometimes is that you will take care of the repairs or the towing, I should say towing. You'll take care of the towing, you'll get a bill, you'll pay it, and then you will give it to your insurance company or your agent, and then they will reimburse you for those expenses. That's, so that either they're going to pay it directly or they'll take care of that. But in either case, make sure that you're getting somebody that you trust. Look up their Google reviews or ask your agent if they've got somebody that they know, and you can take care of that. Well, that's the different scenarios where you may have a small or minor claim and the different options that you may have. Above all, make sure you've had the conversation with your agent. Make sure you talk to your independent insurance agent, that you've talked to them, hey, these are the concerns I have. I'm concerned about if I have a towing incident or I have roadside assistance that I need. I want to make sure I've got coverage for that. Or, if you have an accident or a small claim of some sort, discuss that with your independent insurance agent first. Remember that if you have an 800 number agent or a direct writer, they're going to just file the claim, and then you'll find out later that it's going to cost you more money. So make sure you've gotten yourself an independent insurance agent, and then talk to them about how this may apply to you and to your expenses down the road for your insurance policy. Well, I hope this video has helped you. If you liked the video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you have not done so already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, so that way you'll know when we post a new video. Every Thursday, I'm going to post a new video on a new topic that is meant to help you out. If you have any questions, hey, leave them in the comment section. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. I will read every one of them and I'll answer your questions. If you have a topic you want me to talk about, leave it in the comment section and I will be sure to put that in the list of topics that we're going to talk about on this channel. Hey, until next time, I appreciate you checking us out and hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.